Most people think that they need a massive wardrobe to look stylish in winter, but that's not true. The secret isn't more clothes, it's choosing the right ones. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a winter capsule wardrobe that keeps you warm, elegant, and confident without clutter or overwhelm. Hi, I am Anna Tru. I'm a custom designer and image consultant from FIT New York, and I help women simplify their closet while elevating their personal style. And if you ever felt overwhelmed during winter, wondering how to look chic and at the same time stay warm, this video is for you. I don't know if I mentioned before or if you know, but I'm from Colombia, so I am always cold. So creating a practical and beautiful winter capsule wardrobe has become a personal art for me. In this video, you will learn the essential pieces you actually need for winter, how to adapt your capsule wardrobe to your lifestyle and weather, how to make your wardrobe feel fresh without starting over, and how to stay elevated and comfortable at the same time, no matter the temperature. So if you are ready to make winter dressing effortless and elevated, let's get started. So first of all, I want to clarify that there is no a perfect capsule wardrobe. It depends on your weather, your routine, your lifestyle, activities, and the season of your life. If you live somewhere colder, you will need heavy layers. If you live somewhere middle, you will want lighter, breathable pieces. Because the key here is intention and be aware of your surroundings and yourself. Here's my go-to winter capsule formula. Thermal layers, 2 or 3. They should be thin, warm, and easy to layer. Basic tops around 3 or 4. Long sleeve, cotton, wool, very natural fabrics and neutrals. For bottoms, 3. Jeans, trousers, or midi skirts with tight. For cardigans and sweaters, those will be 3. Cozy and neutrals needs for layering. 1 dress, and it should be versatile and a comfortable option that you can wear under your layers. For jackets and coats, those will be 2. 1 warm wool coat and maybe a 1 casual puffer or trench. For shoes, I would suggest 2. 1 everyday pair. It can be ankle boots, loafers, and the other one a little bit more dressy. For accessories, scarves, gloves, hats, and jewelry to personalize your look. So we saw very briefly the capsule. Let's jump to the color palette strategy, because the foundation on an elevated winter capsule is color harmony. So we can start with the timeless neutrals: ivory, beige, black, gray, navy, olive, khaki. And then if you want, you can add the season colors as accents that can make your look richer. Then add seasonal accent colors that feel warm and rich. This is just if you want, but of course, if you have a preference for those colors, for different colors, you can do that too. So I will add burgundy, chestnut, forest green, soft gold, or cream. The goal here is the neutrals is gonna create cohesive outfits, and then your accent, those are gonna add a little bit more of flavor, interest to your outfits. And your accessories are gonna bring more personality to your outfit. Those are the scarves, the gloves, the earrings, hairbands, whatever you use. Those are your dopamine accessories that bring personality to your outfits. So now let's go piece by piece so you know exactly what I'm talking about. These are gonna be your winter capsule essentials. And we're gonna start with your thermals. They should be lightweight, fitted, and they should be super warm. Second, long sleeves basics, and those should be in your neutral colors. You know that every season has their own neutral colors. For bottoms, I will have jeans, trousers, or skirts with tights. Now let's talk about the cardigans and sweaters. And here you can mix chunky and fine knits. For a dress, just choose one that you can wear at zone or add layers. For jackets and blazers, go always for the polished and more structured ones. For coats, I will add one timeless wool coat, one puffer, or a trench coat. For shoes, it should be versatile and weatherproof. And for accessories, scarves, gloves, hats, and jewelry. And these are my favorites for the cozy days, winter sets. And these are usually, again, cozy, color coordinated sets that you can mix and match super easy with the rest of your wardrobe. The key here is that you focus on the texture because that's what makes winter looks feel more elevated and you have different pieces to mix and match. And again, there is no such a thing like one capsule wardrobe that fits everyone. It depends on many things, but this is a very good base to start building your winter capsule wardrobe. And remember that your wardrobe should adapt to your lifestyle and your stage of life. Maybe you're balancing motherhood, remote work, or travel. Maybe your style is evolving right now, and that's totally okay as long as you feel confident with what you are buying or with what you have in your closet. Because as always, the goal here is not perfection or looking trendy, looking like the Pinterest model. Is intention, alignment, and making sure that you feel great. And in my next video, I will show you how to refresh your winter capsule for the holidays so you can create holiday looks using and wearing what you already have. So you can create new looks using what you already own in your closet. Also, if you're still in fall mode, you can check my video on how to create 3 simple steps a capsule wardrobe for fall. That one is very informative too. It will be super helpful. And for now, that's all for this video. Remember please, that style will always serve your life, not complicated. If you love this video, please like, subscribe, and share with someone that might find this helpful. Let me know in the comments which piece of this winter capsule wardrobe you will wear the most. And as always, I'm so grateful that you are here. Be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.